Hi guys, Jason here. Just today I received the Rode Wireless Go microphone. I have wanted this for so long and I finally got it. So today's video we're going to talk about how this microphone sounds and why I want it for my videos. First of all, let's talk about why I want it for my video. As you know, a lot of video makers, YouTubers are using the Rode Wireless Go 2 as their sound device, and I don't need two microphones, so I figured the first one would be just good, and it's in a price that I can afford. In video making, sound is a very essential aspect. Every good video has excellent sound quality, and I do have some microphones that are not so great, so half of the time I just end up using the built-in microphone with the camera. Therefore, I'm very excited to have a wireless microphone. Okay, now let's take a look at what's in the box. Okay, so the box is destroyed. We've got a microphone cord, a guide, a safety, and two windshield. And this is a bag, I guess. Ta-da! Here's the microphone. We've got one charging cable, two charging cables. Alright. Let's follow the instructions. Alright, now I have set them up on my camera and let's see how this test will go. Okay, now I am comparing how this microphone sounds and how the camera body actually records. Okay, now what you're hearing is the sound of me in the camera body. Let's see, the Rode Wireless Go has an excellent quality. The noise is a bit loud, maybe it's just I said it too loud, and after I set it on the lowest setting, the noise is not so obvious. Okay, so this is the video for today. Thanks for watching.